Critter Trades here, and today we're going to take a look at the DOAHO 17-piece trim removal kit. And this is a really awesome kit that comes with pretty much everything you'll need in terms of trim tools. And it has this really nice carrying case that folds up, and it uses these elastic bands to hold it together. The other really nice thing about this case is it has these grommets here that you can use if you just want to hang it up somewhere, like on the side of your tool bench, so you have easy access to it all the time. You can do that. So it does have a really nice case with it, and it comes with pretty much any trim removal tool that you would possibly need. I'm going to go over the different uses for these tools and what I think of them and how you would actually use them on a car. All right, so first over here we have plastic trim tools. These are mainly for interior panels where you really don't want to have to scratch them. It does work with some of the clips on inside the door panels as well. These are really for sliding things under trim, gaskets, and things on the interior where you do not want to scratch them. The metal tools are more for under the hood or under the vehicle where scratching them is not as big of a problem. First we have this. This is a magnetic light, and so you're going to tighten this to turn the light on, loosen it to turn the light off. And then it's also magnetic here, so if you drop something down in the engine bay, you can extend it out, look with using your flashlight and touch it, and it will pick up things that are metal, the magnet. This is a scraper. This is for scraping off paint or gaskets. If you need to get something off, very simple. These are punch tools of different sizes. You can use these for punching holes through things or making a pilot hole or to start a screw or a thread or something like that. Now these ones here, these are for pulling off plastic tabs and those little plastic rivets. A screwdriver wants to rip them and pull them on the side. This gets all the way around them so you can get some leverage on them to pull them straight out a lot cleaner. This is the same thing, but it's a mechanical one. So you pretty much put it down and then it will push off the surface to have some resistance. So this is a really nice one to get in there nice and quick, and it's nice and wide as well. These ones are a little smaller. Lastly, we have a lot of different hooks and slides here. These are really good for getting hoses off. So these hook and pick here are really awesome for getting hoses off. So if I want to get this hose off, for example, I'm obviously going to take the clamp off first. Sometimes if you take the clamp off, it can still be difficult to get the hoses off. But what you'll do with the straight one is you'll put it in between here and you'll slide it along the edge to kind of break the seal. And that should be enough to just pull it off. If it's not, you can use this big hook one and you can grab it and pull it to pull that hose off. So these are really good for getting hoses off that are stuck on, or especially if they're really short hoses, they really don't have a lot of wiggle room and they're hard to get off with just your hands. These hooks will help you rip them off real easy. If you are looking to purchase this set, check out a link down in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, let me know those as well.